But then, of course, the full vision is you just have like a full field of view holograms where we're having this conversation of the future. And like I'm sitting on your couch next to you as a hologram, and we're just there and we have this full sense of presence here we are. Oh yeah, forgot to mention, remember Google Glass, that clunky piece of tech from 2013 that was supposed to be revolutionary, but ended up being an awkward, expensive experiment. Yeah, it flopped so hard that people wearing them got a nickname. Glass holes, smart glasses became a joke, a failed tech dream that was way ahead of its time. But now they're making a comeback, and this time they actually work. The difference AI Agents AI is turning smart glasses from a gimmick into a tool that could replace your smartphone, your assistant, and maybe even your laptop. Meta, Google, Snap, and Chinese tech giants like Xiaomi and Huawei are all in a race to dominate this space, and with AI evolving at breakneck speed, this could be the beginning of a massive shift in how we interact with technology. So what changed? How did AI suddenly make smart glasses useful? And more importantly, are we looking at the end of smartphones? The one technology that changed everything for years. Smart glasses were limited by one big problem: they had no real intelligence. Early models like Google Glass and Snap spectacles were basically just cameras on your face. They could record videos, take pictures, maybe display notifications, but that was it. There was no real reason to use them over a smartphone. Fast forward to today, and the game has completely changed. The rise of AI agents, advanced software powered by large language models, has given smart glasses a real purpose. Unlike before, AI-powered glasses don't just display information, they understand and react to the world around you. Take Meta's Ray-B band smart glasses. For example, the latest versions come with a multimodal AI assistant that can process what you see and hear in real time. You can look at an object, ask your glasses about it, and get instant information without ever pulling out your phone. Need to translate a sign in a foreign country? The AI reads and translates it for you, displaying the result in your vision, or speaking it out loud. Then there's Google's Astra AI, which powers their upcoming Android XR smart glasses. This isn't just another voice assistant, it's an AI that sees what you see. Imagine walking into a grocery store and your glasses instantly remind you that you're out of milk, or recognizing someone on the street and whispering their name into your ear so you never have to awkwardly forget again. This isn't speculation, this is happening right now. AI is turning smart glasses into something genuinely useful for everyday life. But if AI is the key to making smart glasses work, then the next question is, who's leading the race? The great AI smart glasses war right now. The great smart glasses war. There are two companies locked in a battle for control over the smart glasses market. Meta and Google. Meta has already taken a lead in 2024. They sold over 1 million pairs of their Ray-B band Meta smart glasses. That's an impressive number considering that smart glasses have never really been mainstream. Meta is already planning the next step, their 2027 Artemis glasses, which will integrate full augmented reality AR displays, allowing digital objects to be overlaid onto real-world environments on the other side. Google is betting big on Android XR, a software platform designed to power smart glasses from multiple manufacturers. Just like how Android runs on different smartphone brands, Google's glasses will use Gemini AI, their most advanced multimodal AI system, to provide real-time assistance. Their strategy make Android XR the standard for AI-powered eyewear. The rivalry is intense. Meta wants to control both the hardware and software, making sure their glasses work best within their ecosystem. Google, on the other hand, wants to create the Android of smart glasses, allowing multiple companies to build devices running on their AI. It's a battle that could shape the future of wearable tech. But while Meta and Google fight for dominance, the real reason smart glasses are finally catching on is that they're actually useful now. From Gimmick to the future of smart glasses, every day, essential for years. The biggest issue with smart glasses was simple. No one really needed them. They were an interesting concept, but without real-world applications, they remained a niche gadget rather than a must-have device. But AI has changed that by making smart glasses practical in ways that were never possible before. One of the biggest game changers is hands-free AI assistance, instead of constantly pulling out your phone to check for directions. AI-powered smart glasses overlay navigation prompts directly into your field of vision. If you're traveling in a foreign country, they can read and translate signs, menus and conversations in real time, removing language barriers instantly. And when you run into someone you vaguely remember but can't quite place, AI can discreetly remind you of their name and your last conversation without the awkwardness of forgetting beyond functionality. Aesthetic and design improvements have made smart glasses more wearable. Early models look clunky and futuristic in a way that made people uncomfortable wearing them in public today. Meta's Ray-B band Smart glasses and Snap's latest spectacles look nearly identical to regular eyewear, blending fashion with technology. Google's upcoming Android XR prototype follows the same trend, featuring a sleek, lightweight design with an integrated display, far from the bulky frames of the past. AI-powered smart glasses are also proving to be game changers for accessibility and productivity for individuals with visual impairments. These glasses can provide real-time audio cues, describing the surroundings and reading text aloud. In professional fields, they have the potential to revolutionize workflows. Doctors could pull up patient records while performing procedures. Engineers could receive step-by-step instructions hands-free, and remote workers could collaborate using virtual overlays without needing a physical screen. This shift is already happening. The question is no longer if smart glasses will go mainstream, it's when, but there's still one major roadblock that could slow things down: privacy concerns. And that's where things get complicated: the wild future of smart. The wild future glasses. Imagine a world where you no longer need to pull out your phone to check the weather, look up a restaurant, or send a message. Instead, everything you need is seamlessly displayed in front of your eyes. No more screens, no more typing. Just AI-powered smart glasses overlaying digital information onto the real world. It's the direction companies like Meta and Google are actively pushing toward. In the next 5 years, smart glasses could become the primary way we interact with technology. Meta has already outlined its vision for the Artemis glasses, set to launch in 2027. Unlike the current Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses, which rely on voice commands and audio feedback, the Artemis glasses will include full augmented reality AR displays. This means you'll be able to see digital information, texts, emails, notifications, even entire AR environments right in your field of vision. Google, on the other hand, is betting big on AI. Their upcoming Android XR platform is designed to power smart glasses made by multiple manufacturers, with Gemini AI deeply integrated. This would allow Google's AI to provide real-time assistance, giving users contextual recommendations based on what they see, where they are, and what they're doing. If this technology evolves as rapidly as expected, we could be looking at a future where smart glasses replace smartphones altogether. Instead of staring down at screens, we'll interact with AI through holographic interfaces controlled by voice gestures or even brain-computer interfaces. This shift is already happening, but there's a big challenge standing in the way. Privacy, the biggest problem. The biggest problem. Talking about AI-powered smart glasses may sound exciting, but there's a fundamental issue. They see everything, unlike a smartphone camera that only activates when you open it. Smart glasses have cameras, microphones, and AI running 247S. They are constantly recording, analyzing, and processing the world around you in real time. This raises serious privacy concerns. What happens to all the data collected by your glasses? Who owns that data? Tech companies, advertisers, or even governments? Could AI-powered glasses be used for surveillance without people realizing it? These are no longer just hypothetical questions. Governments and businesses are already responding. Several cities are considering banning smart glasses in public spaces due to fears of mass surveillance. Some businesses, including casinos and private establishments, have announced policies prohibiting customers from wearing AI-powered glasses inside, worried about potential misuse. There's also the issue of facial recognition. Many people are uneasy about a future where AI can identify strangers on the street in real time, while companies insist they aren't incorporating facial recognition into their products. The technology already exists, and some believe it's only a matter of time before it becomes widely adopted. For smart glasses to truly succeed, tech companies will need to convince the public that privacy protections are in place. If they don't, history could repeat itself, just like Google Glass. These devices could face massive backlash and disappear before they even have a chance to go mainstream. But assuming privacy concerns are addressed, there's still one big question left. Will smart glasses actually replace smartphones? The end of will smart glasses replace smartphones? Meta and Google both believe that AI smart glasses are the future of computing. The idea is simple. Why carry a smartphone when everything you need is available instantly, hands-free, through your glasses, instead of constantly checking screens? AI-powered glasses would offer a more natural way to interact with technology. Instead of tapping on apps, you'd simply ask your AI assistant, and the information would appear in your vision. In theory, it makes perfect sense. But the real question is, will people actually switch? There are still major hurdles standing in the way. The first challenge is price. Right now, smart glasses are expensive. Meta's Ray-Ban smart glasses cost around $1,300. 400 and fully AR-capable glasses could be significantly more. If AI-powered glasses are going to replace smartphones, they need to be affordable for mass adoption. The second hurdle is social acceptance. Wearing smart glasses all the time is a big shift in behavior. People are used to looking at their phones, but wearing a visible AI device on your face might take some getting used to. The same stigma that made Google Glass fail could still exist, especially if privacy concerns grow. Then there's battery life and processing power. Smart glasses will need to process complex AI models without draining battery life too quickly. That's a major challenge right now. Most smart glasses can only last a few hours before needing a recharge. Until battery technology improves, they won't be able to fully replace smartphones. Still, one thing is clear. Smart glasses are no longer a gimmick. Whether they replace smartphones in 5 years or 10, AI-powered glasses are fundamentally changing how we interact with technology, and we're just getting started.